Hey there guys, Jamie Jo here, and I am so excited about today's video. This is one of my favorite videos that I get to do all month long. It is time to unbox a whole new Whiff Box. This is the one for March 2024, and guys, I've gotten a little sneak peek inside. You guys know we always have an exclusive product, and this month's is pretty freaking amazing. I know that I'm going to sell some of these Whiff Box just for the exclusive item that's inside of here. But first, you know, I have to give you a little tease. First, let's talk about what a Whiff Box is. Now, a Scentsy Whiff Box is essentially a surprise box that Scentsy curates every single month. It changes completely every single month. There's a couple different ways that you can purchase a Whiff Box. You can just jump onto my website of jamijosellswax.com and buy your Whiff Box there. It's going to be $35. If you want a discount on it, make sure that you add it to Scentsy Club. Go ahead and go to jamijosellswax.com, go up to Scentsy Club, click on that. You are automatically going to get 10% off of it and discounted shipping. But the cool thing is, if your Scentsy Club is $60 or more, you can get it for half price, meaning $17.50. Now that we've got the nitty gritties out of the way, let's jump in. Let's see what is inside of this month's Whiff Box and see how good my math is. Because you guys know I sometimes struggle with that on the fly. So first of all, the box looks the same every single month, but the stuff inside completely changes. Now, I still have that fun little exclusive covered up. You are always, my hair went in my mouth. You're always going to have a fun little sheet that kind of gives you the vibe of the box. Of course, we are in March. Easter is at the end of the month. It's a fun little Easter box. So here is what we have inside, and you guys can see that fun little addition, but I'm going to set this box down. I'm going to save the best for last. And we're going to look at what else is in this Scentsy box. We're going to get 3 bars of Scentsy wax this month. This is one of our brand new fragrances. Gracious. Sorry if you had your volume up. That was awful. This is one of our brand new fragrances. It is Wild Cherry and Sakura. It is a very deep fragrance. A very warm fragrance. The cherry is definitely what hits you right at the first. I don't even know what Sakura is. I'm digging out my catalog here. Let's see what the catalog tells us about this fragrance. It's probably going to say Sakura, and I don't even know what that is. Yep. Wild Cherry accents the delicate beauty of Sakura Blossom and Pink Jasmine. Sakura Blossom. Tell me in the comments. Do you know what a Sakura Blossom is? Don't know that I've ever seen it. Maybe it's a flower I see all the time and I just don't know what it's called. But you're going to get a bar of that. You are also going to get one of our Easter exclusive bars, Lemon Lime Fizz. The name says it all. It's like a lemon lime soda. 7-Up, Sprite, Sierra Mist. That's exactly what it smells like to me. It is lemon, it is lime, it is fizzy. You can feel the little bubbles popping in your nose as you smell it. Lemon Lime Fizz. So if you love those different sodas, you are going to love this fragrance. Now we round out the 3 different bars with one that we've never seen before. This is our scent of the month for next month. It is called Sunshine Mango. And friends, every single month in the Whiff Box, you're going to get a bar of the scent of the month for the next month. Now I have early access to the warmer and the scent of the month. But friends, I haven't even gotten that yet. I got my Whiff Box before I get that. So you guys are getting this even before the consultants can get it. Sunshine Mango is the fragrance for next month. Now, I have also seen pictures of the warmer for the month of next month. If you love rainbows, you're going to love it. Guys, I love this fragrance. I'm not normally a lover of fruity fragrances. I'm normally a woodsy or a fresh. But this is something I will definitely be popping in the warmers in my house. It's almost like, I looked at the description and it's orange, it's pineapple, and it's mango, but I don't get that. Think of like an orange dreamsicle, but flip-flop it to a more tropical, the mango and the pineapple. So it's like a mango pineapple dreamsicle. It doesn't list vanilla or cream or anything like that in the scent description, but I think it's there. It's definitely there. It gives me a dreamsicle vibe. I absolutely love it because it's not too tart. A lot of the orangey or tropical scents can get really tart to me. This one has that mellowness to it. I cannot wait to warm this up in the main part of my house. I'm gonna love it, I know. Two other things I wanna show you before we see that super duper cute exclusive. You are going to get a scent pack in Summer Berry Melon. These scent packs, while they were designed for our Scentsy buddies, you can see my monkey up there next to my sad plant that needs watered, and Ariel and Sebastian over here. Those are Scentsy buddies. They all have a hidden zipper in them for a scent pack. But guys, the uses for this product are endless. You can use a scent pack absolutely anywhere. I've used them in my gym bag. I've used them in my vehicles. My kids, when they were still in school, put them in their lockers. So many different places. Linen closets, dresser drawers, anywhere that you need fragrance that there's no plug-in or just whatever, you can toss this bad boy anywhere. It's just a fabric scent sachet, so it's perfect for that. Then, give it a little shake so it slides down. You get a scent circle in Berry Sweet. Now, both of these, the Summer Berry Melon and the Berry Sweet, are very similar scents. They remind me of childhood when I would unwrap a brand new strawberry shortcake doll. This one especially is that. This one's a little sweeter, a little deeper, but this Summer Berry Melon is definitely a strawberry shortcake doll. Absolutely. So that scent circle needs to hang freely, perfect for the rearview mirror of a car or anywhere else that it can hang freely. I love that Scentsy is putting in one of our brand new catalogs in the Whiff Box. So you get to flip through and see all of the new stuff in the brand new Scentsy catalog. All right, guys, I've teased you long enough. I've made you wait long enough. Look at our cute little friend. We have a brand new Scentsy Buddy Clip. Now, guys, you cannot get this by itself. You can only get it in a Whiff Box. But look how precious Stitch is in his little Easter bunny costume. He is a buddy clip. That means that he can easily clip to a diaper bag, a backpack, a purse. I've seen a lot of people use these in their car as well, hanging from the rearview mirror. Guys, here's the cutest part. Yeah, he's precious. He's adorable. His little hands coming out of the little costume. He's got his little claws there. Look at that. How precious. And on his little toes there. But guys, this is the best part. This is the best part. His little hat, his little bunny hat slips off and just, oh, just wait. Boop. Boop. His little ears pop out of there. How precious is that? He has his little Easter bunny hat in the back. His little ears pop out. He's even got the proper coloring on the back. He's got his little tuft of hair right on top. This is absolutely precious, and I love him so much. Now, let's look at the value of this box right here. Most of our licensed buddy clips are $18, sometimes more. So I'm gonna be conservative and say that his value is $18. Our bars are $6 each, so that's another $18. $36 right there. Our scent circle is valued at $3, so that's $39 right there. Guys, I can't ever remember if a scent pack is $6 or $7. Boop-a-doop, boop, boop. I don't know, friends. You would think after all this time selling these products, I would know how much they are. $7. $7. So we were at $39 plus $7, $46 right there in value. You get the new catalog. If you add it to Scentsy Club, you're getting the discounted shipping. Only $35 at the most. So $46 in value, $35 if you order on my website, $31.50 if you have it on Scentsy Club, $17.50 if it's your half price item. It is an absolute great deal. And remember, it is the only way that you can get this precious little Easter Stitch buddy clip. Now, these are limited time offers. We don't guarantee that he's going to stay in stock all month long. So don't wait any longer. Make sure you jump over to JamiJoSellsWax.com. Whatever way, if you're going to purchase it there or if you're going to add it to club, you always start at JamiJoSellsWax.com, and everything else can be handled from there with different tabs and things like that. If you have any questions about this Whiff Box or anything else Scentsy related, feel free to add it in the comment section of this video. Find me on Facebook or Instagram. Both of those are Jami Jo Sells Wax, or you can text me direct at 918-888-9690. My name is Jami Jo. I hope you have a sensational day and a very happy Easter.